We are at the front of the art market in Kuta. As you can see, actually the construction is pretty advanced. It's already full shape. When I was here last time, there was still only the only constructions of the fundaments and stuff like this. This is like a true 3-story building actually. I hope so. They're gonna have a parking underground. What do you think?
I think that it will be, probably like underground parking, but I didn't see any fundament for the underground parking.
Yeah,
but
I hope so.
but will be look so modern, well organized, because in a 3-story building they have each plot. And I think that it will be very nice art market and will be more well organized.
And I think so they're gonna finish very soon because they're building this faster than this one when in Ubud. They started in similar times, but this one is definitely construction is more advanced. And also we are heading now to Kuta, to the Kuta Beach, and there is some construction at the front. Also it's 7:30 in the morning. Here we go, this is the currently Kuta Beach. Here actually was the sign of the Kuta Beach long time ago and the big parking. There is the temple and some dragons as decoration, and here is huge construction of something. Actually, I have totally no idea what sort of building it's gonna be, Sayan. What do you think? I have no idea, right?
Let's go there.
Let's go there. There's supposed to be some local restaurants. They also gonna have a brand new building. And here is like a huge construction zone in general. Beach is over there. There's like a little path here as we can walk around. There will be another statue here. Check this out. They're still under the construction. And this is like a little passage. And this one, something big actually, because check this out of the quality of this building. So basically there is not only construction in Ubud and in Sanur and Canggu, but Kuta also gonna get a brand new art market. This is brand new promenade what we are walking right now, and this is already Kuta Beach at morning, where usually at morning or afternoon you can have a drink here and surf lesson, and on the other side is the hotel full of people actually at morning. Check this out, and they have a brand new promenade already. Yo, what's up? Bali's back, yeah? How many crates are there are you selling already? 10? 5? All right, not so bad. That's good. A lot of money for the local boys on the beach already. That's good. And that's how it looks, the hotel itself. I think also popular for the local people.
Okay, so last time somebody commented in our video saying that Kuta Beach in the morning is full of rubbish every day. But you see behind me what I can say, it's yes full of rubbish, but yeah, they start cleaning in the morning. So because of this is the tourist spot, so yeah, people already start cleaning in the morning, and even with this big guy.
So as you can see at morning, people working hard and cleaning the beach already for you. Well, and I think they also changing so the beach will be more stone, like at the front. Anyways, if you come to Kuta Beach before 8 o'clock, it's gonna be like this one. Basically, nobody gonna be anywhere. It's still kinda early for Bali standards. For the places like this one, of course, going to the beach. But already open, so you can have a morning coconut or morning beer if you like. That's totally no problem. I like the brand new promenade here. It's actually very handy.
So one thing about the new stall in Kuta Beach is just like this one, wooden stall. So more artistic, more, what I can say, looks nice, So I think this is another changes gonna be in Kuta. So will be like, what I can say, people will come here and then enjoying, the beach while buying many drinks or foods from the stall.
Also last time, maybe you remember me when I was here, there was they called, the local boys call it dragon wave, and destroy the full entire coast here with the beach. So now they're gonna put the big stones and fix it, so it's gonna be better, because this house was actually, the lifeguard's house was almost destroyed by the waves. So now they're gonna put the stones and the full entire coast of Kuta Beach gonna be protected. And that's the look of the Kuta Beach at morning. Definitely if you come early morning it will be dirty, but they cleaning. They hire people actually. That's the people from government who are cleaning, so it's nice as they are doing that. But unfortunately, I don't know if you can see next to this surfer and there they are actually rubbish floating on the water. Ocean is very polluted in general itself. And somehow if you miss orientation where we are, this is the legendary Kuta Gate and Kuta Beach. So basically at the front of the Kuta Gate there is the construction currently, so your picture may be distracted by these machines, and we were walking into that direction, so everyone what you saw before it was there. And meanwhile, that's how does it look like at morning. They're working hard since early morning to make it more beautiful than it was, and more safer of course, especially with fixing the beach for the dragon wave. I call it tiger wave. I think that was tiger wave, not dragon wave actually. And new people coming, and the trucks as well here, so be careful. And on the other side of the gate there is still construction. They didn't finish yet or started the path, the promenade, and actually beach is fully destroyed. They're gonna put stones, so it'll be like at the front of Discovery shopping mall. So it's gonna be beach smaller, but that's for the safety reason, because of the tiger wave or dragon wave. I think tiger wave actually. Sayang, do you remember they call it tiger wave or the dragon wave? I don't know.
I don't know what it is.
Tiger wave probably. Anyways, you guys know you likes to fix me if I'm making mistakes, so for sure somebody will fix me, right? And yeah, that's how does it look like. The beach will be definitely smaller. There will be promenade somewhere in the middle, and they're gonna have a brand new shops for selling the goodies. I don't know actually how 100% gonna work out, but they already prepare for them the wooden shops, the wooden huts, like this one. Actually looks pretty cute, and there will be supposed to be more palm trees as well. And also here they didn't clean the beach yet, so it's slightly dirty. But even it's little bit rubbish, that don't discourage local people and the kids to playing around, because that's how it is and how it works, seems like. And not so many surfers actually today. I don't know where they are. And actually if you're thinking about that, that's mostly domestic local people here in Kuta Beach today, not so many foreigners. Actually I didn't saw anyone foreigner in visitor. I don't know, where are you guys? Why not in the Kuta Beach? I'm gonna say like that. This is Grand Ina Hotel with so many cyclists, but all of them they are actually domestic people, aka local people. Not so many tourists actually at morning in Kuta. I mean, I don't know if anyone actually was in the lands today from the, I don't know, we didn't see so much tourists here. Right?
So where is the international tourists in Kuta?
So I don't know, because when we were in Canggu last time, so many of you didn't like it actually. There was actually thousands of tourists, but here I cannot see.
Yeah, so what I can say that remember that last time when we were in Canggu, even like at the breakfast time, we went to the one restaurant. It was packed of international tourists, international customers. But here, you see that
Nobody.
I didn't even see one, walking on the street in the morning.
Okay, so now we're gonna go to the one very popular, legendary, 50 years old restaurant in Kuta. Very popular. Let's see if it's busy or it's not. Let's see. And also Kuta Square seems like had the better times in their life. Actually, mostly local kids driving here. Well, many shops are still closed. Actually, nothing has changed. This area is supposed to be actually redeveloped in the near future. Otherwise, we're gone forever, like seriously. Like.
Now we will go to the Poppies one, and we will see how is the Poppies restaurant, because it's famous. They said that, whenever people coming to Kuta, you should go to Poppies restaurant. And let's see how it is. This is a world famous Poppies one. For those of you Kuta lovers, you must know this place. So now I will show you how it is.
Actually, everything is closed. Sayang, are you sure this legendary Poppies restaurant is still open?
They said that you have to go to Poppies restaurant whenever you are
Do
in
you wanna
Kuta.
rent the ruko here? There's many for rent lah.
Yeah.
And small gang. Definitely you cannot pass here by the car, but also seems like this area had a better times in the life. But everything is for rent. This is a little bit like filming back in 2020 during the middle of pandemic. But let's see where is the Poppies restaurant for sure. Must be somewhere here.
Look, so many is for rent.
Everything is for rent, but also some local people living here.
We arrived in the world famous Poppies restaurant, you see, since 1973. I was not born yet in that year.
But there is since 1973, but on the gate is 1975. So the 2 years something was happened. We will ask what was between 73 and 75, because there is like a 2 different dates, Saya. Okay, get inside anyways.
Yeah.
Let's get inside and let's see what was between 2 years. If it's even open, it's open, and then, hello. All right, that's the restaurant in the gardens. It's like a restaurant in the garden in general. This is the menu in case if you're interested, you can have it something like this one. This is like a breakfast menu right now with 17% additional. And we're gonna show you around. We're gonna show you around.
So I'll take you to stroll around the restaurant, and this is the breakfast situation, and yeah, the ambient is just like the garden concept restaurant. Yeah, the ambient is just like this. So that's with the pond, people having a breakfast. So nice. 1, 2, 3. It's less than 10 customers. Hi, honey. So yeah, I was strolling around and showing you how is the restaurant. If we compare with the previous restaurant in Canggu, if you still remember our previous vlog, where in Canggu the customers was packed, and then you see even like people were on the queue, even on the waiting list to get the chair, to get the table. Then even you shared the table with the, the person that you know. But here, look at surround. So many empty tables, so many empty chairs. Kuta is just famous for the tourist spot since long time ago, since 1973, but now.
That's our breakfast, the scrambled eggs with the toast bread and the jams and the tea and Sayang, you have the same, right?
Yeah.
The same. So the scrambled egg with the toast costs you 45k after the taxes. And I ordered the tea. Unfortunately, they give me the green tea with jasmine. I ordered the Earl Grey tea, but it's Dilma. So at least it's not source or something. But it's nice. Smacznego, honey.
Smacznego, kochani.
Also in this restaurant you can hear the Balinese music in the background. I don't know if my microphones are strong enough and you can hear it, but it's like a very Balinese vibe. But of course this restaurant is from 1975 or 73. Now I get confused. Nobody knows actually because they are already younger generations working here. Anyway, thank you so much for everyone who are supporting us on Buy Me a Coffee so I can make this video, because every video make a production cost. Thank you so much. Cheers.